Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off adaptive brightness in Samsung Galaxy S22. To look for our adaptive brightness options, we have to go to Settings, and in Settings under Display we have our adaptive brightness options. What does it do? It reacts and changes brightness of our screen depending on the source of light that is shining on our phone. If we want to turn it off, we simply tap this box, and now we can change our brightness manually however we want. Moreover, while adaptive brightness is turned off, we have our extra brightness options here that we can also change. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.